Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English Paper 1. First, familiarize yourself with the paper's format, including the number of sections and question types. This foundational understanding is crucial for effective preparation. Next, focus on developing strong reading comprehension and analytical skills, as these are central to success. Finally, practice managing your time efficiently during mock exams to ensure you can complete all sections thoroughly. When approaching the texts, read actively by highlighting important details and making notes in the margins. This engagement helps you grasp the core message and nuances. Next, practice identifying various literary devices, such as metaphors or similes, and understand their impact on the text's meaning. Finally, work on formulating clear and concise arguments that directly address the question, supported by textual evidence. This structured approach will significantly improve your responses. Before you begin writing, take a few minutes to plan your essay structure, outlining your main points and supporting evidence. A well-organized response is easier to follow and more persuasive. Next, focus on using precise vocabulary and varying your sentence structures to enhance the sophistication of your writing. This demonstrates a strong command of the language. Finally, always allocate time to review and edit your work for any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, or areas lacking clarity. Consistent practice is key. Work through past papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps build speed and confidence. Additionally, seek feedback on your written responses from teachers or peers to identify areas for improvement and refine your approach. Remember, effective preparation involves continuous learning and adjustment. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.